All right, guys, real quick video here. I'm gonna show you how we save a ton of time in the field when our string trimmers run out of string. And that's simply by having pre-cuts. So what I mean by that, simply instead of in the field, unwinding 9, 10, 11, 12, cut, you know, whatever. Some night, this is mostly for you business owners or solo operators, things like that. Whoever's in charge, who's got the free time. This is something that you would do on your free time. You sit in the garage, have yourself a ice cold Pepsi or whatever you like, and cut out about, cut this whole spool. I cut the whole entire spool. I like, because I found the length that works good for us. It's about 10, 11 spins on there. I cut them all at about 12. I cut 12, 12, 12, and they're all the exact same length. Then we come out in the field, boom, we're out of string. Always keep your steel tool. You go down. Already got it pre-cut. Put her in, spin it. Always start with the top one. I'll tell you why. Because it's out of your way. Now when you spin the bottom one, the top one's out of your way. Put your bottom one in. Spin, spin, spin. Don't get fancy with the spin. I used to do that too much. Just spin the dang thing. Okay, that looks like I'm gonna go there. So you find your distance you like. I like the distance over here. So I'm just gonna unhook the top, flip it to this side, flip it to that. They're both pretty close. Always take your one with the prongs, line those up underneath the silver caps in here. Hold your cap down while you lock it in. Bang, bang. Shoot your train. Put that on. Give her the pull. It locks in place. You know you're done. I mean, that whole entire change, probably 45 seconds, and that's with me talking you through it. Yeah, pre-cuts have saved us a ton of time. So business owners, go home, cut about 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 of these things. I mean, you can use them all season long. I mean, we highly recommend this Steel CF 3 Pro. So you know what the hell it's called? I'm not a big names guy, but this black and orange right here, top of the line trimmer. I mean, we used to use, you know, whatever, didn't matter. One day I decided to buy a spool of this. I don't remember why, but changed the game. I mean, you could take weeds out that are thick, and it just cuts like butter. It's the best string trim that we could find around here in Eastern Iowa, so we always rock the CF3 Pro. Right when we get a new trimmer head, we instantly pull that old orange crap out and replace it with this stuff here. So highly recommend that for the string trim. Highly recommend pre-cuts. Be ready. We keep all those pre-cuts in the side door in our truck. Shit, sometimes when I'm mowing, and I know I've been trimming a lot, I'll take a couple pre-cuts, throw them in my back pocket. That way if I run out, I'm down in the field, I don't even walk back to the truck. Boom, pop the head off right there. I always keep a little pocket knife or something on me that's a little tool. So open that head right up there in the field and replace it, and you just save yourself. I'm not shitting you. I've seen some guys, string trimmer goes out and we're talking a 20-minute breakdown all of a sudden. You know, we got to go back to the truck. We got to figure it out. We got to unspool everything. We're tangled or having problems. That's an experience for one, but for two, you can save yourself all that headache by just having pre-cuts, being prepared, know that, hey, I'm going to run out of string today. All right, now let's do a time test. All right, so as you saw there, the clock was at 5 when I started. The video was 45 seconds long, so it took us 40 seconds to open it, change the spool, put it back together, and be back to work. So carry those pre-cuts on you and keep on mowing.